Lakefront custom-built home located on a double lot with a deep waterfront location. Endless views from the wrap-around deck overlooking the lake. Two-story home welcomes you with a vaulted wood-planked ceiling and an open floor plan from living room/dining room to kitchen with a charming enclosed breakfast sunroom. 2 first-floor bedrooms and a full bath. Second floor offers third master bedroom suite with full bath and loft area for office. Enjoy amazing down-the-lake views through the 2-story windows that capture all 4 seasons. Lower-level family room with storage area, laundry room, and is plumbed for a bathroom and opportunity to add a summer kitchen as this space walks out to the covered lower-level deck. Steps to lakefront, with an awning-covered crib dock and additional dock so plenty of boat parking for kayaks and jet skis. Deep water location for swimming. Located near hiking and biking trails and walking distance to beach club with optional membership. Only 30 minutes to Morristown, 15 minutes to NJ Transit, 30 minutes to major ski and golf resort, and all just 1 hour to NYC. Note: home constructed in 1988 with 2-bedroom septic design, township approved.